Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss how to add your Google site kit. Okay, let's check out. First, you go to the your WordPress uh, desktop view. Then you go to the plugin and add new site kit. First, you log in your WordPress cPanel. WordPress dashboard. There's you go to plugin option and search site kit. Google site kit. Then you can show here this Google Analytics plugin is here, just active here. I'm already active install for sorry first install. I'm already install here. Then I go to click active. Now it's active and now is set up. Time to set up. That's you can see all of details. You can see this is already active. And now we go to the setup option. You can also these setups or a menu. Here is a Google option is here. This is setup is same, just sign mark all and sign in your Google account. You must be log in your Google account. Here is a my Gmail account. I just click here and select this all option. Then we can select again continue, and we now verify 4 step here. Happen no code, any code transfer, COD code, and you don't nothing to pay. Okay, just simple. Just verify to click. You just reading how it's here are all of details is here. You can see. You can just try to read here. Okay, setup next. I already read this here. Then we slow. Next. Already set up complete. You can share your website name and website account name and your time zone. All of is good. Okay, then you can again your Gmail continue, confirm, last confirm, and again continue. Okay, this is complete. Google Analytics terms and service. You can try to read here, and I have agree. You can check out this WordPress website is here, and you also check out your Google Analytics website analytics account. You can check is here. Two option you can check is here easily. But when you can WordPress dashboard, you can check it's a very more of facilities. Same thing, but I think this is a good. And you can also add a AdSense account. Right now we not AdSense. Maybe some days later we can see this tutorial how to add AdSense your website and to earning money, more of money. You get a billionaire. Okay guys, thank you so much and watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Best of luck. Goodbye. Tata.